everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I do hope you're all doing well. I am really happy that you are here with me today. I hope that you stay with me till the end of this video. I have a project to share for you. This is a shabby chic journal that I just finished embellishing, and this is also a design theme project for Nathalie of LineDotArrow. I used her beautiful kit Antique Lace and Roses, and I really enjoyed working with this kit. It is really gorgeous. Nathalie's links will be in my description. She has an Instagram account, she has Facebook, and of course YouTube channel LineDotArrow, and she has also an Etsy shop. So if you are new to her social media, please do support her. She is an outstanding and awesome artist. Okay, so for this project, I used a different style of binding. You know that most of my journals have the file folders as the base of the cover, and my spine is also from the file folder. And then I mostly use the pamphlet stitch binding, either 3-hole or 5-hole stitch binding to put the signatures together. But for this journal, I use cereal boxes as the base for the cover. So 2 cereal boxes that I glued together, and it makes a very sturdy base. And then I covered the base with antique linen, and it has this beautiful edging. And then I covered the linen with handmade paper, which is really beautiful as well. And then for the spine, I used fabric instead of the file folder. So I stitched the signatures using my sewing machine, and I love how it turned out. So this book is very flexible. It's very easy to write on the pages or decorate the pages because the pages lay flat. And I will use this style of binding again because it is easy and it is fun. And the most important thing is it looks lovely. To decorate the front cover, I have here beautiful applique in pink color. And then I have some buttons here also in pink. And you can see that I used the wrinkled seam binding for closure and added the lovely beads here. These are spacer beads. And then this envelope is not attached to the cover. This is using one of the pages from the kit. And for closure, I use this brass from Bow Bunny. And I had this for a long time in my stash. And this is empty. I will put some goodies there. And this is the cover. I call this journal Sparkle, and this image is also from the kit. I call her Sparkle because I believe that we all shine and sparkle, and this journal is an inspiration to remind us that we are all special, we are unique, and we are a limited edition. This journal has plenty of positive and inspiring sentiments, and of course, there are plenty of beautiful images from Nathalie's kit. So this journal is very special to me, and I hope that you like this as well. The spine is covered with this cloth or fabric with embroidery. So it is looking chunky because of all the elements that I added here. But once I do the flip through, I won't put the elements back. So you will see how it looks without those embellishments. I really love this embroidery fabric. And the back, you can see that this is the handmade paper, and this is a rose petal and some leaves that were added to the ingredients when the paper was being made. And this tag looks like a door. This is the door to the journal. And again, I call this journal Sparkle. Okay, so let's take a look here. This is a pocket, and here is a journaling card from my stash. It says, "Just a girl growing wings." And this is from the kit. And I added a sentiment, "Keep shining, beautiful one, the world needs your light." There's a place to journal in the back. And just to show you again that beautiful handmade paper, so petals of roses and dried leaves, so pretty. Okay, so you know the drill. I will do the flip through as I play some music, and I hope that you stay till the end. I will be back before the end of this video. thank you so much for staying with me. I hope that you like this flip through, and I hope that you like my design theme project for Nathalie of LineDotArrow. You see that this journal is full of all these embellishments. Most of them are again from the beautiful kits. I have some journaling cards that are from my stash, and the sentiments are also from my stash. But these lovely images are mostly from antique lace and roses. So there you go, everyone. Let me know what you think about this shabby chic sparkle junk journal. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. Also, I will provide a link of Nathalie in my description. This journal will be listed in my Etsy shop maybe tomorrow, and I will provide the link in my description. So again, thank you so much for supporting my work. I appreciate you all. Bye now. Till next time.